sea glass and gnome. Fucking hard work. You have to scour through each and every little piece of gravel. Climbing rocks along the shore, try to track it down. Boats look at you kind of funny. Then you can find pieces. Hopefully they're good pieces. Most of it's been brown and white. Then occasionally there's other colors. Into the sea, the Bering Sea. A long little piece of green. It's like looking for, I don't even need to say a needle in a haystack. You're looking for sea glass rocks. And I don't run into an angry seal.